Alright, let's see what's in this box. This one's light. Where'd my knife go? Oh, back in my pocket. That's where it went to. So I've been waiting for a set of Buell blast cases, but I don't know if I got them yet. These seem really light to be a set of Buell cases, but you never know. They might be. Size of the box is about right. Or it might be something else. You never know. Priority mail. Good packing. Someone's rug. What do we got here? Pretty light. It's not a case. Check the trash. Doesn't appear to be anything else that matters. Gas tank or primary cover? Gas tank. There's ears right here. Yeah, I guess real parts now. Harley parts. You just panhead chunk when I do this. My knife needs sharpening again. Time to sharpen my knife up again. Been using it too much today. Ooh, yeah, that's way better now. So I don't remember what I bought here, but something. Damn, it's going forever. There we go. Yeah, it looks like a gas tank. There we go. Damn, that's heavy. Nothing else in there. Gas tank. Panhead. This is where the tank strip used to be for the badge. Does not appear to be welded through here. Good sign. The tabs are still here, which is a miracle. There's no vent here, so that means it's a real panhead. It's got the shut-off valve through here like it's supposed to. No tank shift, so that means it's not old. It's got to be new. It's got to be at least 52. Split shift. So, they already blasted it for me, so I don't have to clean it. I like that. And how's the inside of the tank look? Oh, you have to look in there. Is there any rust in there? I can't see. I don't know. It's dark in there. Ooh, look at that. There, you see in there? I don't know if you can see in there or not. It's hard to see when you got multiple lights going on. So, it appears to be in nice condition. It's got like a black phosphate finish in there, and that's it. So I don't know if you can see in there. That dark color is actually the coating in there. It's just black. It's not an actual coating. It's like a phosphate. You know, it's a real thin coating. It's not like a tank sealer. I'm going to guess this is probably a 64 and earlier. And that would be, what year they changed the badge? They changed the badge in 61. So they had a star badge, 59 and 60, 61, 62. What year did they do that? 59 and 60, 61, 62. So this would be 63 and 4. So this would be a 63 and 64 panhead tank. They had a real long badge with a kind of a shape like that on it. So, nice tank, solid. No brakes, no fucking, looks nice. Still got the ears on there and they're not modified, not butchered. The only thing is they cut the damn badge mount off, which is kind of butchered a little bit. A couple of small little dents, nothing major. Real nice, no rust, I like it. It's a good tank. So it's a good starting point. You can do whatever you want here custom-wise, or get the stock one and put it back on. So, yeah, it's a nice tank. I like that. That's way better than the junky ass tanks I've been buying lately. I haven't had any gas tanks for a while. I think this is the first gas tank this year. All the other ones I've been buying have been crap. Stack them over here. Normally I get crap like these. Bunch of crap. See, here's the same style badge mount. See, look how nasty that tank looks. This is the other half. Look how bad this piece is. That's easy to condition the stuff I buy. It's pure crap. So, luckily, that's a good one. What's this tank? Oh, that's a little, that's the early one. This is 51. It's got double strips on it. So it's double layer. So that's 52, 53, maybe 54 is a matching one for it. That's a 40s tank over there, or 50. That's probably a 50 earlier. 47 to 50. So, yeah. So, this will be the matching one for it, but these are double strips, so there you go. I'll take it, add it to the pile. We'll clean it up some more, make sure it's nice, and then I'll clean it, spray it, and do something with it. Or find another half for it, who knows. I never mind getting sheet metal when I can afford it. Even crappy tanks like those things go for, you know, 500 a piece. Not a set either, that's one side. So, all right, that's it for gas tanks.